Thank you for watching this video. In this channel, you and I will be reviewing different cars and learn at the same time. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider joining us. If you're a subscriber, please click the like button. Thank you!
Hello sa inyo lahat. Ito po ay si Ju from SoJooCars at nandito po ako sa Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, Manila. And today, mag-review tayo ng Rolls-Royce Phantom. Itong Phantom ay pinakamahal na variant o model dito sa Rolls-Royce family. This is like the mothership, the most expensive, the MVP of Rolls-Royce. However, there's a long wheelbase version, but apparently this is not the long wheelbase one. Sa una, kala ko maliit lang yung sasakyan na to, pero sa reality, ang haba. Bago po kayo magpatuloy, huwag nyo kalimutan mag-like and subscribe. Thank you! Bago po tayo magsisimula, syempre gusto ko bigay ng thank you to Sir Wayne and Miss Debbie for letting me film this car. Now, this is my first time to review a Rolls-Royce. So, sana wag kayo mag-comment na hate comments. For those who don't know yet, may-ari ng Rolls-Royce na brand ay BMW. So, yung class ng Phantom ay full-size luxury car. Yung dimension niya ay 3,552 by 5,762 millimeters in length, 2,018 millimeters of width, and 1,646 millimeters of height. Engine ng Rolls-Royce Phantom ay may 6.75 liters V12 twin-turbo engine na may 570 horsepower at 900 Newton meters of torque. Let's talk about price. So yung presyo na to ay medyo confidential kasi this car is very confidential. Magsimula na tayo. Ito po yung side view or corner view ng front. Let's start. May reflector po dito. May sensors sa bumper. All in all, body paint, chrome. Now, itong mga chrome ay hindi plastic. Normal na brands. Wow. Tapos ito po yung pinaka-iconic na feature sa Rolls-Royce, yung grille. Yung pangalan ay Pantheon Grille. Kitang-kita nyo yung sa loob, may bars. Yun. I also see that in BMW. So dito naman yung headlights. Wow, napakaganda kasi nakita nyo yung materials po dito ay parang luxurious na plastic. Ito po yung daytime running light around, parang ring light, pero yung hugis ay medyo rectangle. Tapos dito naman, ang daming projector type na LED lamps at active po sila. So later on, mag-feature po ako ng lighting system. Merong black na accent, chrome na accent, tapos dito sa loob ay Rolls-Royce logo. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4, 5. 5 po yung total na bulbs. Dito sa baba, parang honeycomb na grill. Dito rin, honeycomb na grill. Chrome accent. May sensor. At pwede kayo lagay ng tow hook. Ganda ng design. Dito naman sa center, of course, yung grill. Sa baba, more sensors. Tapos yung plate number. Ngayon, vanity plate na Rolls-Royce. Dito naman may sensor. Ito po yung sensor for marami. Rolls-Royce logo o emblem with black color sa RR at Royce and Rolls. May camera dito sa front. Siyempre, alam nyo na this. The Spirit of Ecstasy. Ito po yung Spirit of Ecstasy. Nakita nyo, makakaiba yung size ng wings. So ito mas malaki, ito mas maliit. Tapos ito yung ulo. Ito yung ulo. At may safety features naman to. Kung may thief na gusto hawakan, immediately bumaba yun at mag-hide sa loob. Itong chrome area ay tuloy-tuloy po yan hanggang doon sa windshield. Tapos balik dito. Wow. The Phantom. It really looks like a Phantom, no? Wow. Dito naman sa side, may reflector din, may sensor din. Ito ay 21-inch wheels. Hindi ko lang alam kung alloy to o aluminum. Yung tire size ay 255/50R21. These are 21 inches. And ang laki yung ventilated disc brake. Tapos rolls-royce na caliper. Ang laki ng center cap. Pero alam nyo na itong RR ay hindi pwede magbaliktad. Kasi always upright po ito. So kahit rolling po yung wheel, ganito pa rin yung itsura ng rolls-royce. Dito naman yung cover ng air valve ay rolls-royce. Wow. Dito naman, yung may air vents. Tapos ito po yung air suspension, yung upper control arm. Tapos dito naman medyo fuzzy na material. Saan yung entrance? So may radiator po dito. So pumasok yung hangin dito, tapos lumalabas dito sa wheel well. Ito po yung itsura from the side. Ang laki. Later, siguro mag-Superman pose ako para may idea kayo kung gaano laki itong sasakyan na to. Sa side naman, walang drastic na curves o lines, pero dito lang, tuloy-tuloy po yan hanggang sa dulo. Pero sa side, it's round. And dito naman, meron pa isa. Dito pala. Ito yung curve all the way there. Dito sa side lights, Rolls-Royce again with LED lights. Dito sa side mirror, body paint na metallic at may glitters or pearl. Camera. So we have magnified and the normal area for the side mirror at fully powered. May chrome accents everywhere. So ito po yung pinaka malaking one piece na. So ito yun. Dito all the way here hanggang dito. One piece to. Ang laki parang salamin. Lahat ng ibang accents chrome din. So hindi to plastic. Yung door handles, syempre, ang laki din. Super big. Look at this. And fully automatic yan. Chrome, dalawang buttons, physical na keyhole na yung ibang tao ayaw nila to, pero ako gusto ko kasi it's classic at sometimes yung mga mahal na bagay, yung old heritage nandun pa rin. From the other side, I have to be careful because see, I almost hit this rake over here. Wow. So, ano kaya meron dito sa ilalim? So, yung ilalim ng itong Phantom ay flat para sa aerodynamics at super clean. Tapos, ito kaya yung mounting point for jack. Dito naman sa likod, 21-inch wheel na ventilated disc brake as well. At ito po yung caliper. Sa harap may RR, dito wala. Pero dito meron. So air suspension din, very clean. Pero ang laki, super thick. Post fuzzy materials naman dito sa wheel well. Dito sa dulo may reflector din. Tapos may sensor. Rolls-Royce ay famous sa painting skills nila. So ang daming layers ng primer at paint. Yung paint quality ng Rolls-Royce vehicles ay superb at world class. Sa taas naman, may option naman to for sunroof. Pero for this variant, there's another option. It's a round roof with shark fin antenna. So dito tayo sa likod. Ito po yung rear combination lamp. Itong rear combination lamp ay white, red, reflector, tapos yung brake light at park light. If you look closely, may RR dito. It says RR inside. Dito sa baba, ilan yung sensors? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sensors in total. Ito yung itsura. May chrome with Rolls-Royce, with camera, plate number lights. Ito po yung button to open this power lift gate. May chrome dito for your tow hook. Dalawang exhausts with chrome tips. Pero sa loob, apat po yun. So quad exhaust po ito. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pero ito mas malaki. Ito mas maliit. Tapos sa loob, kitang-kita ko na may gate po dyan. Ano kayang itsura dito sa ilalim ng Phantom? Linis. Tapos flat. Ito, loob loob. Ito po yung exhaust. Dito naman, may chrome accent. At walang defoggers. Pero may speakers. Definitely. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So ito po yung exterior ng Rolls-Royce Phantom. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. Actually, this is the most expensive car that I'm reviewing so far in this channel. And syempre, napaka-intimidating. Tingnan mo yung mukha. Yung itsura ay napaka-intimidating. So wag kayo magkalimutan mag-like and subscribe and comment if you have more questions also. Let's go inside. Ito po yung key fob ng Rolls-Royce Phantom. So yung material ay leather sa likod, black color kasi black din to. Tapos may smoked na chrome at black and chrome. Kung gusto nyo mag-open, click nyo na lang itong arrow. Wow, very intimidating. Tapos kung gusto nyo mag-lock, press nyo na lang yung Rolls-Royce button. So ito ay smart key. So lagay ko na lang sa pocket ko. Let's open the door. So yung smart key ay nasa pocket ko. Touch nyo na lang sensor. Tapos it will unlock. Yes, do you see that? So when you open it like this. Whoa. Ganito, laki. Dito naman, suicide doors. Almost 90 degrees for best entering and exiting the vehicle. Wow. Actually, yung amoy ng sasakyan na to ay wow. Parang nasa expensive boutique ako ngayon. Wow. So this is how it looks like. Yung Rolls-Royce at yung mga exotic cars, syempre ito po ay mga bespoke, meaning customized lahat. So whatever the client wants, they get. Pero ito ay short wheelbase at meron pa yung long wheelbase. So next time na lang siguro yung long wheelbase. So let's start dito. Black trims. Dito ay chrome. Parang mirror. Very clean. Lock and unlock knob. Very clean. Dito naman leather. Fine leather to lahat. Fine leather. Dito rin fine leather. Speakers. Chrome door handle. Sa tingin ko may ilaw dito kasi made of plastic yan o glass. Leather, very soft. May stamped God of Ecstasy. Wow. Itong option ay combination of Burgundy ba to o brown? So brown and black. May wood. May konting plastic na gloss. So itong mga material ay hindi plastic. Ito po yung joystick para i-control natin yung side mirrors. Ito po yung release ng trunk. Tapos may memory seat. Dalawang options. Heated seat. Sa Rolls-Royce Phantom, pwede kayo maglagay ng ventilated seat. Pero hindi yan available sa base. So may option yan. So itong model mismo ay may heated seat lang. Ito number 2. Ano kayang number 2? Ganito ba? This button is for controlling the passenger side. So kung pindutin nyo to, kung may ilaw na to, tapos mag-control kayo dito, mag-adjust yung passenger seat. Wow. Dito naman, more leather with white stitching. Tapos, dito cup holder, compartment lang or storage. Tapos more chrome lines here. Wow. Everything is leather in this door panel except for this wood trim and itong plastic na gloss. Oh. Ito naman yung step sill, Rolls-Royce Phantom. Siguro mag-illuminate yan mamaya. Kita tayo mamaya. Ito naman, power seat controls. Tapos may lumbar support din. Okay, wow. Then go backwards. Ano to? For the knees? Ano kaya to? Oh, for the knees. Knee support. 10. Oh, I lost count already. Anyway, itong power seat na to ay ang daming controls. Wow. Tapos dito naman, parang makaiba yung material kasi parang velvet fuzzy eh. Pa-comment na lang sa comment section kung alam nyo anong material itong weather seal na to. Pero hindi normal, definitely. Wow. Yung carpet ay orange. Yung railing ng seat ay chrome. Then may metallic silver. This is crazy. Yung body paint talaga, kahit dito, napaka luxurious at ang ganda. May chrome divider. Dito sa ilalim, may black Rolls-Royce wood. Tapos may number U104210. Tapos may stamp. This car is very difficult to go inside kasi ang daming features kahit sa labas. Footrest, brake pedal, and accelerator. Ang laki yung pedal dito. Ang laki yung pedals. That's very good. Dito naman may emergency something ata kasi red yan eh. May OBD, may airbag, may ilaw, may airbag din. Ang daming airbag. Dito, syempre dito. May accent naman, black na leather. Tapos yung steering wheel ay black. Tapos yung dashboard ay black. Dito rin, black at chrome. So, dalawang color combination sa leather. Tapos yung mga hard parts ay chrome or wood. So, pasok tayo. Finally, nasa loob ng Rolls-Royce Phantom. Ito po yung gallery. Sa Rolls-Royce, walang dashboard actually. Yung proper name ay gallery. Kasi hindi nyo masyadong makita, pero may transparent na glass po dito. Tingnan nyo ah. Oh. See? This is the gallery. Parang sa museum. Wow. Spirit of ecstasy. Oh, I said that's God of ecstasy. No, that's a spirit of ecstasy. Yan. Wow. Super luxurious talaga. Super duper. Let's turn on the light. Wow. Look at this, oh. Let's turn on the light. The galaxy is here. The entire galaxy is here. Kasi naka-on yung ilaw. Naka-on din yung step seal. Phantom. Dito rin, phantom. Tapos dito, may ilaw. Tapos may ilaw din dito sa ilalim ng pinto. Tingnan nyo to. Starlight option ng Rolls-Royce. Wow, if you look at this, actually, you really get shocked. This very expensive option. It's very different. Now you look from the screen and in real life. Wow. Dito sa left side, may air vent dito. May air vent, air vent, air vent. Okay, for you to close the door, now may buttons po dito. For the left and for the right. Dito rin, meron button for the right. Now, make sure na walang ibang bagay na obstructing kasi automatic po ito. I-hold nyo yung button. Kasi kung press nyo ng isang beses lang, hindi to mag-close. Dapat press and hold para isara completely. Let's see. Yun. Medyo scary at first. Pero it works. Wow. Itong button ay para sa kabila. Wow. Let's open it again. Pero for opening, you have to use your old way. And where's the handle? Dito po yung handle. Opening is there. Wow. Let's continue. Ito po naman may pattern na brushed aluminum at yung air vent ay chrome. Sa adjustment naman, very matigas para sakto yung direction ng airflow mo. Ito po yung lock and unlock ng airflow. Very classic. Push and pull. So open yan and close. There. Then my wood. Ito yung light controls. My auto. Panel. Off. Headlights. Fog lights. Park lights. Left and right. And start button. Oh, itong button. Oh, what is this button? Should I press it? Did something happen? Oh, what happened? Intelligent safety. How to control that one? Yung materials ay leather na black, orange, at white stitching. Tapos maraming wood. So lahat ng chrome nakita nyo dito sa loob ay hindi plastic. Dagdag siya sa level of luxury sa itong sasakyan. Dito po yung electronic park brake. Plastic po yan na glossy. Pero may chrome na accent. May airbag po dito sa loob. Tapos may airbag din dito. Nasaan yung airbag? Dito ata nakita ko na Tapos may extra airbag. Tapos may ilaw din. Dito naman sa instrument cluster, may chrome na accent na 3 bilog. Pero sa likod ng transparent na glass at digital po siya. So yung needles ay digital pero mukhang analog. Dito naman, wow, may spirit of ecstasy dito. Tapos may same pattern ng design katulad nito sa loob. May hidden screen po dito. Kung nag-start na yung sasakyan, mag-appear po yan. Tapos may analog na clock. Option din po yan. Tapos may phantom. So pwede kayo mag-customize ng itong area na to. Pwede na rin lagay ng family picture kung gusto nyo. Wood everywhere. Chrome everywhere. Tapos ibang gloss na buttons. Wow. Dito rin leather. Leather din. So lahat ng lever ay chrome. Ito yung manibela, syempre. Fine leather. Black in this trim. Tapos may wood. Glossy plastic. Syempre, may airbag with Rolls-Royce badge. Cruise control buttons. Then audio control buttons and hands-free with voice command. Wow. Tapos dito naman sa left side. So turn signal po ito yan. Oh, plastic po yan. Very rare to find plastic here. Tapos metallic silver. Ito po yung gear lever. Low, reverse, neutral, and drive. Parking ay dito sa button. Ano pa meron? Dito, wiper control, automatic rain sensing yan. Dito naman, tilting and telescopic na powered. This one. Ano pa meron? So air vents. Ito yung volume knob sa audio system. Open and close of air vents. Whoa. Ito po yung hazard. Let's try. Wow. Sa normal cars, nandito dapat yung signals pero dito, sa dulo, dalawa. Wow. My eyes almost went like that kasi I was looking here and then it went there. Tapos, sabay-sabay mag-blink yung hazard button. So ito po yung door lock and unlock. Oh, what's happening? I just unlocked the car. Oh, look at that. So this car has speedometer, fuel and engine temperature, pero walang usual na tachometer. So yung ibang pangalan na gamitin nila ay power reserve. So hindi yan magsimula dito. Magsimula yan dito. Tapos it will show na ilan pa meron ng power sa reserve. Wow, ang ganda, no? Wow, look at that. Welcome, Manila. Ito po yung mga audio controls. Ito ay touch sensitive. So kita nyo? Every time I glide, mag-follow yan. Wow. Medyo integrated po yan sa screen dito, sa likod ng invisible glass. So may hidden. So pwede kayo mag-play ng CD o DVD dito. So ito po yung eject button. Ano kaya to? Traffic information activated. Ano tong MM? Oh, TV. Tapos yung entertainment. So source. Next and previews. Sa air condition control naman, medyo special po yung air condition. Kasi first, yung material ng dials. Ito po yung material ng dial. Very good. Tapos may leather. May leather po yan sa dial. At yung pangalan ng mga level of blower ay hindi 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Off, soft, medium, high, max. Actually 4 climate zone to Kasi nakita nyo dito, dial type yan. Hindi po yung katulad sa atin, yung digital o manual. Ito for the front temperature and for the rear temperature. Dito rin front and rear temperature. Ganda Sa research ko, sabi nila ito yung old-fashioned way ng Rolls-Royce, which is very good. Big respect. Dito naman, heated seats at heated steering wheel. Dalawang defogging options sa salamin, sa harap at sa likod. Ano to? May hidden compartment po dito. So hidden po yan. Medyo fuzzy po sa loob. Wood. More compartment. May compartment dito. May compartment dito. This one, push. Okay. May fuzzy na space. Dito naman, wow. Dalawang cup holders. May chrome accent. Tapos nakalagay R&R. Rolls-Royce. For you to close, press it. This one also, press it. Voila. Dito naman sa side, leather din lahat. Leather to lahat. Everything is leather. May hidden feature po ito. Just press it and wait. But when I open it, always something happens. So, the control is here. Okay, let's look at the control muna. Spirit of Ecstasy ulit. Tapos, media, com, menu, map, navigation, option, and back. Parking sensor on and off. Pwede kayo mag-adjust ng height ng itong sasakyan. 3 options, high, medium, and low. This is a learning experience kasi this is my first time. So, don't forget to like and subscribe. And this center console is black na leather. Very soft. Pwede na rin mag-armrest. And ito po yung button. Wow. May ilaw, 12 volt po ito, tapos may USB port, fuzzy po dito, po yung materials. Let's bring, oh, look at that. Very big piece. Wow. And let's look at the quality of the seat. Wow. Look at this. Wow, so much perforation. Daming stitching. Tapos may accent na black at chrome. And rolls-royce. Option din to. Then may button dito. Very soft, parang bed eh. Parang isang king size bed for your ulo. So dito naman, sa taas, may grab handle pero hindi yung usual. Naka-leather po yan. Ito, auto retract. Aluminum din yung microphone. Dito naman sa sun visor, may ilaw at may mirror. LED po yan. Very nice. Chrome. Wow. Pati yung sun visor, very luxurious. Dito naman sa passenger, same din. May ilaw at salamin. Dito naman, this is a auto-dimming room mirror. May head-up display po itong model. Ito po yung projection. Tapos may speaker. Tapos may airbag. More airbags. Wow. So airbags there. Airbag. May airbag dito. May dalawang airbag pa dito. Malamang may airbag po dyan. So dito naman sa taas, cabin light o map light. Dito at dito at dito at dito at dito. Chrome, black gloss. Let me demonstrate. Yun. How it turns on and how it turns off. How it turns on, how it turns off. Ito, lahat. Lahat turns on. Even sa likod. Patayin natin. Ito, ano to? See? So may divider. Ito po yung totoong map light. So yung headliner po ay puro butas dahil may fiber optic na starlight option. Wala ng power. Dito naman sa glove box. Wow. Yung concept ay parang Ferrari kasi fuzzy din materials nila dito. Tapos may ilaw din. Wow. And look at this. Speakers. 18 of them. So pasok tayo sa passenger side. So ganito po yung itsura or view from the passenger side. Wow. Now let's go to the VIP side, which is the second row. So let's enter the second row. Wow. Super luxurious. At kahit all the way to the back yung driver seat, maluwag pa din. So pasok tayo. Wow, once in a life experience. Wow. So ito po yung itsura ng interior of Phantom from the second row. Wow. Kita nyo yung starlight. Wow. Dito naman, halos parehas po yung control sa katulad sa harap. Same buttons. There you go. Wow. Ano pa yung amazing dito sa ceiling? Ito. This is your mirror. Oh, I look pangit oh. Vanity lights with a mirror and in a fine leather. Tapos ang laki. Parang 7-inch to. Wow, amazing. Meron din dito sa Super VIP dito. Pasok tayo sa VIP seat. So to open, just open it. Nakita nyo dito ba? Itong chrome na piece ay fixed. So when you open the doors, ganun yan. Tapos merge. And itong pinto pala may soft close. Yan. It closes softly. Okay, let's open that. Almost 90 degrees. At syempre, sa Rolls-Royce, may umbrella. So, dalawang umbrella. So, yung halaga ng itong umbrella ay very expensive. Very, very expensive. At ito po yung button for release. Actually, medyo scared ako kasi baka mag-shoot yan parang isang baril. Pero it doesn't naman. Hanggang mga dito lang. So, let's try it. 1, 2, 3. Ooh, see that? So this is the umbrella. Very expensive umbrella. Yun. Let's put it back. Oh, I don't want to drop it. So just click it back like that. And it says umbrella. And ito po yung door panel. Chrome. May spacing po dito. Black leather, orange leather, dalawang speakers. The door handle. My hidden ashtray with 12 volt and ilaw. Leather din to. Gloss finish. Air condition. Dial. Off, soft, mid, high, and max. Very nice. Tapos may leather wrapping. Ang ganda. Ito po yung temperature stat for hot and cold. Dito naman may storage at black leather. Very, very nice. Phantom illuminated step stool. Dito naman, dalawang air vents with open and close vent. Oh, everything is leather here. Dito naman may hook for your clothes. Okay, pasok na tayo. Ito po yung VIP seat. So ganito po yung itsura na wala pang carpet. Air vent. Wow. The rail. Tapos dito sa likod may pouch. Wow. Black and orange and white combination. Super duper soft. It's the best seat I've ever experienced. Let's go inside. So, may hawakan pala dito para mas madali o mas safe yung entrance ng VIP. Ito po yung itsura ng Rolls-Royce Phantom. Look at this, guys. Rolls-Royce Phantom. As for now, the hood is open. The hood is huge. That's also a very big gimmick. Now, may button po dito. Naka-chrome. So when you press it once, bumaba yung front tray with wood trim and chrome. And one more time, it will close. May hidden function po dito. Press the button and your control will come out. Halos parehas po yung control system dito sa harap at dito sa likod. Ngayon, naka-on po yung R. Tingnan natin ang nangyari kung mag-press tayo ng R. Wow. So, merong mga 12-inch na screen. Touch screen ba to? So, hindi po yan touch screen, pero pwede kayo mag-control ng tong screen with this dial with Spirit of Ecstasy. Wow. Syempre may leather po yun sa dial. Wow. Chrome, fuzzy, chrome, black gloss, and chrome. Ang ganda talaga. So for you to lock or put back everything, just press this one and everything will close together. Wow. Wow. Grab handle or grab strap. Now we cannot call this grab handle anymore. We have 4 grab straps. 1, 2, 3, 4. And look at this. So for you to close the door, there's a button here. It says door. Press the door. Now the cabin is extremely quiet. I mean, I can even hear my heartbeat. There are lights here because it shows the buttons. May air vent dyan, tapos may gimmick pa dito. So may buttons pa dito: door, volume minus, and shoes. So what happens? Let's press the top one. Wow. Para mas comfortable yung passenger or VIP, si chairman. Tapos when you press the other one, of course it will go down. Tapos dito naman, yung upuan, ang daming soft materials at leather. May window naman dito. Tapos dito, may mirror with lining. Wow. Airbag pala to. May airbag. Oh my goodness. This is really crazy. Yung seat adjustment ay dito sa center console or dito sa center area. So this one is to raise. Oh, wow, everything is going to normal. Then this one, itong L2. So pwede na rin mag-control ulit. So let me show you what happens when I press one button. Everything goes back to normal. Yeah, I hope the pandemic goes normal. Pray for the time we don't need masks. And I can also control the headrest. Also, this area. And also the back. Yeah, so I can recline all the way. I can also control for the leg area or the knee area. And I can further lie down. This is crazy. I'm almost lying down. Oh my, it's becoming a bed. So now, I am in a bed. So I was able to bring it all the way, reclined, even the seat area. And this is like heaven. Oh, I have my feet raised and I have everything lowered. So I feel sleepy now. This is so amazing. Wow, ang ganda talaga, ang lupit. Ang lupit talaga itong Rolls-Royce. Wow, I hope you guys are enjoying this as much as I am. I'm really enjoying this. Here we have air vents, 2 of them with open and close. Oh, I can see them opening and closing. Very nice feeling. It's not just the or soft. It's perfectly hard and soft at the same time. Ito din, perfectly soft and hard at the same time. Siyempre, may hidden features po dito. I knew it. My 12 volt at my chrome at meron dalawang 3.5 jack or headphone jacks for your infotainment. Let's close that. And yung center tunnel po ay very high. Anyway, sa itong model, wala pong center seat. So may puro controls at ibang gimmicks po dito. Dito naman, press it again. Wow! Ano kaya to? What is this? Oh, more cup holders? But what is this? How do I open this? I really don't know what it is. Okay, let's put it back. How about here? No. There's nothing else. This car has so many lights. It has lights really everywhere. Then dito naman, ano meron dito? Wow! For your champagne, 12 volts. Then you have your Rolls-Royce glass. Rolls-Royce glass. Let's bring it here. Wow. This must be very expensive, so I'm gonna put it down. And this one, the bottle. Even the bottle is Rolls-Royce. Wow. This is crazy. And here are the champagne cups. Is this also Rolls-Royce? Does it say Rolls-Royce? Okay, it doesn't say Rolls-Royce, but it is Rolls-Royce. Wow. Let's put it back before I drop it. It's also wood. And this entire thing can come up. It also says Rolls-Royce. Oh, it's a bit heavy, so better be careful. There are also stuff here. It's in chrome. And that's not all. May ganito pa. Wow. Of course, it says it's frosting, meaning ito po ay isang refrigerator para sa champagne. Dito, actually dito po dapat lagay yung glass. Ito po yung mga locking mechanism. Grabe to, no? Yung drinks nyo dapat malamig. Pati yung mga baso malamig din. May mirror din dito. Wow. Okay. Let's put it back. And then let's close it. Wow. This seat is extremely comfortable, especially this area. This soft material is absolutely amazing. And dito naman sa likod, leather din. Tapos may speakers dito at dito. Let's just identify the airbags. So airbag, then airbag. Meron pa bang airbag? Let's open the door. It's very hot. So for you to push, you have to push like that very slowly. We don't want to damage anything. Even this one looks luxurious. It's also in chrome. Oh my goodness. Let's put everything back. Everything goes down back to normal where it was when you pressed this button. So now the president is ready to go out. And lock the door. How cool is that? Now let's go to the trunk. Oh, the fuel cap is here. And for you to open the fuel cap, just press it. And there we have one of the biggest fuel cap cover I've seen in my life. Close it again. There you go. Now for you to open the trunk, just have to press a button here. There you go. Wow. Huge trunk. Now this car can fit 4 people and 4 large luggage. So this car has extra big space. And here are the floor carpets. These are extremely thick. Look at this. And soft. And it says Rolls-Royce. Wow. Super amazing. And you also have something here for you to replace the bulbs, most probably. You also have it here. You also have this one. Oh, you can open something here. Oh, the tow hook, the early warning device, and the fuse, and the first aid kit. Wow. Let's put it back before someone gets hurt. Wow, what else? What else is here? Oh, this is it's like a Rolls-Royce owner's manual. The owner's manual is this thick, and it's in a very safe package. Look how deep it is. And the lights, you have 2 lights because this car's boot is very deep. It's all the way there. It's also very fussy material with another light. So this trunk has 3 lights, which is very good. And we have cladding or garnishing. Oh, look at this. And we can also close it like this. Okay, it is also a soft closing type. I wonder where's the spare tire for this. So cars like this don't have spare tires, but they have a tire repair kit. So most probably that's the one. Now let's check out the hood. So for you to open the hood, you need to use this red lever and it will release. Let's look at the... Wow. So ito po yung engine bay ng Rolls-Royce. It's a 6.75 liter V12 twin turbo engine. It can do 0 to 100 in 4.4 seconds. The struts, insulation, and it says here Phantom, hand built in Goodwood, England. Spirit of ecstasy. Now for you to close it, okay, you just have to do it very slowly, very carefully, not to hit the spirit of ecstasy. Bring it down and okay, I will leave that to the professionals. I really don't want to do that. I don't want to destroy the car. And this car has head-up display. I wish I can show you everything, but it's not going to be possible. I'm just going to be showing you a bit more. Now, for cars like this, you have your owner's manual, but it's actually already inside the system, and you even have animation. So let's see, let's try glare-free high beam assistance. So it's going to play.
The system allows an optimized illumination of the road without dazzling other road users. This is achieved via a camera located near the interior mirror that monitors an area in front of your vehicle. It detects the taillights of vehicles driving in front, or the headlights of oncoming traffic. When another vehicle is detected, the system automatically adapts the high beam lights to avoid dazzling the other road users.
It's like I'm in a
Both
theater.
headlights are swiveled by a few degrees to achieve this.
Oh.
The light cones are positioned differently.
Cannot believe I'm watching this in a
This
rolls-royce
creates an area
Phantom.
with reduced high beam illumination. Optimum illumination is still provided outside this area. This anti-glare positioning of the high beam lights is dynamically adjusted with the movement of the other road users.
Back. That's really a lot of things that you can see from here. Now, the spirit of ecstasy. We want to raise or lower, right? So the spirit of ecstasy is there, and I can lower and raise. Amazing. This time we're going to start the car and let's see what will happen. Start your engine. This car is super quiet, and of course, yung screen, nag-appear siya. Speedometer hanggang 260, fuel, maraming fuel, unlike other dealers. So the bonnet is open. So we don't call it the hood, it's an European car, we call it the bonnet. And the trunk is not trunk, it's the boot. Alright. So now, I will rev it first. Oh. So that's the revving. Okay, let's open the window. This is the sound of the revving. Oh, 진짜 조용하다. So quiet. You have application, my vehicle, notification, media, navigation, application, and my vehicle. So this is where I want to show you. So in vehicle settings, you have a lot of controls like light, door, key, intelligent safety, speed warning, attentiveness, assistance, snow chains. If you have snow chains, you need to check this one. Stability control and parking, seat comfort, climate comfort, and many more. You can also go right and left. And you can also use this as a touchscreen. So when you're searching for something, instead of you using the keyboard, you can just use this one. But the thing is, this car doesn't have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Now I want to show you the head-up display, but I really don't know how. And this is the volume control. And you can also mute. And the steering wheel is huge. And it's really, really soft. Wow. Now, you cannot really control this like the recent vehicles na my fashion mode, my sport mode, or my classic mode. Only one option. So this is the camera. So when you turn on the camera, my bird's eye view at rear view. And my button pa dito para i-change yung view. Never rely solely on camera system. Rear, then rear again. So how do you control that one? So using this dial, pwede kayo mag-change ng view. Wow! So my Phantom side view. Right. Oh. Wow. So what happens if I open my door? Oh, the door opened and it closed. Wow, it's really nice. Let's go to the other Okay. Then press this and back, and you can also do side view. Also on the other side. Also for the back. Wow. Okay, let's close the door. So ngayon, try tayo yung headlight. So headlight, auto. And then another one. And then another one. And then power off again. Auto. Like that. Like that. I'm going to press the hazard button. Let's try the back. Close the door. This never gets old. It's so much fun. And turn on the light. And oh, so what is that? I'm not sure. Then hazard. So check natin kung one touch to. Yes, one touch. One touch as well. Before you go back inside, look how quiet this car is. Of course, it's even quieter inside. Oh, and there's a light here. Alright. So as you know, there are Rolls-Royce in every nido. So thank you everybody for watching this video. This is the first ever Rolls-Royce video that I made, and I would like to thank Sir Wayne for giving me the opportunity, and we would like to close this video with cheers. Cheers. This is a official Rolls-Royce glass.
Yes.
It's empty, but cheers.
Please do me a favor and hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Thank you everybody. May your dreams come true.